Smarta and her magic bag.
Spotty! Spotty!
Hello, Smarta. What's going on?
Hello, Amalia. Spotty ran away.
He's not here.
Not here either. We've got to put up posters. People who've seen him will tell us where he is. We need paper and a pen. Someone will see the poster, recognize Spotty, and we'll find him then. Amalia, is everything ready? Who's this?
What do you mean? Spotty!
It doesn't look like him.
Everyone thinks they can hurt an artist. This is my vision.
All right. Maybe this'll work. These are Rob and Bob. Hello, guys.
Hello! What are you doing?
Putting up posters.
Why are you looking for jellyfish?
This is Spotty.
Haha, you needed to write that there. Rob, we've seen Spotty. Oh, right. Just now, at the square.
How can we get there?
You've got to go right at the street. Then straight to the intersection. And then to the left. There will be a main square.
Thank you. We'll go to the square.
Smarta, do you remember the way?
Yes. To the right, then straight to the intersection, and then left.
To the right.
There's the traffic light. We've to go left. There.
No!
There. And then there.
Yes!
That's right. We've got to wait for the green light.
Hooray! There's the square! Where to next? Where can we find Spotty?
Oh, look. There are footprints.
Oh! What's this?
Someone spilled paint. There are so many footprints.
Are these Spotties?
No! Of course not. These belong to a pigeon.
Maybe these belong to Spotty?
No! These are human footprints, like yours and mine.
These are Spotty's for sure!
Yes! These lead to the exhibition center. Let's go there. Look, Amalia. There is a dog show here today. Do you see Spotty?
There he is!
I'm so glad we found you.
Huh?
Do you want to take part in the show?
Huh?
All right, then let's find out what we need to do.
Tasty bone.
Huh?
Let's wash your paws first, though.